I am Obanimi, a qualified Yoruba teacher with 4 years of teaching Yoruba experience. I have taught Yoruba courses to students of diverse ages and proficiency levels, from beginners to advanced learners. My journey began with a private tutor and expanded to online tutoring and instruction. I have bachelor's degree in Yoruba from Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, Osun State, Nigeria. This experience and knowledge has helped me to develop and implement engaging lesson plans, incorporating cultural and historical context, and also helped to access student progress, providing constructive feedback and guidance. Teaching everything Yoruba is what I enjoy doing.